Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 5, My Clothes. Students, what do you mean by clothes? Cloth means the things that you wear to cover, protect, or decorate our body. For example, we wear shirts, pants, trousers, and many dresses to cover our body. These all are called clothes. Early humans used leaves and skin of animals to cover their body. But now the time has changed. So, people used to wear different types of clothes in different seasons. Students, clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind and insect bites. They make us look smart. Yes. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. Like in summer season, we wear half shirts, t-shirts, sunglasses, cap. Now I am going to show you summer season clothes. Like this is cap. This cap we wear in summer season, right? Good. Now, sunglasses. We wear sunglasses in summer season. Half t-shirt. We wear this t-shirt in summer season. Now, in winter season. What we wear in winter season? Sweaters, jackets, woolen cap and gloves. This is a muffler. We wear muffler also in winter season. And in rainy season, what we wear? Umbrella, raincoat, gumboots, right? So, now we are going to understand in these seasons why we wear these clothes. Summer season. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Why? Because they keep us cool. In winter season, in winter we wear woolen clothes because they keep us warm. In winter season, students, how you feel? You feel cold now? So, to keep us protected from that cold, we wear woolen clothes. Rainy season. We wear raincoat when we go out in rain. It keeps us dry. Yes. We also wear different kinds of shoes and slippers to protect our feet from dust and germs. We wear clothes to suit the occasion. We wear special clothes on special occasions such as wedding and birthday party. Students, when you go to any wedding or in birthday party, you wear different clothes, right? And in daily, what you wear? You wear different clothes. So, for different occasion, we wear different clothes, right? We wear clothes suiting our work. Special clothes are worn by people who do special jobs. These clothes are called uniform. We go to school in uniform, right? So students, for different profession, different uniforms are there. Like policeman. Policeman wear different dress. As well as doctor. Doctor wear white dress, white coat and pant. Yes. And postman. Postman wear brown color dress, right? So different profession has different dresses and different uniforms. People in different parts of the country wear different kinds of clothes. Now, in different cities also you have seen that people are wearing different clothes. Like in Punjab, Punjabi wears suits You have seen na that Punjabi most of the time they wear suits because this is their dress code. Now Bengalis, what they wear? Bengali wear sarees, right? You have seen Bengalis, they are wearing different kind of sari. They wrap sari in a different way. Yes. Now Rajasthani, what they wear? They wear poshak, that lehenga and cholis and that dupatta. You have seen, no? Yes. Now, how clothes are made? Clothes are made from different materials. Cotton clothes are made from cotton plant. Cotton is spun into thread and these thread are woven into the clothes. Now silk is a special kind of thread which we get from silkworms. You have heard many times silk sari, या silk suit. You have heard this word na, silk. Your mother must have said to your father that bring silk sari, right? और कभी आप शॉप पे गए होंगे अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ तो आपकी मम्मा बोल रही होंगी कि मुझे सिल्क की साड़ी दिखाइए. एंड सिल्क इज़ अ वेरी शाइनी टाइप ऑफ क्लोथ, है ना. बड़ा शाइनी सा कपड़ा होता है, एकदम सॉफ्ट चिकना सा, है ना. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सिल्क. Silk is a special kind of thread which we get from silkworms. From where we get the silk? We get silk from silkworms. We get wool from hair on the body of sheep. From where we get wool? We get wool from sheep. Yes. The hair is cut from the body of sheep and spun into wool. What happens? The hair of the sheep is cut from the body of sheep and spun into wool. And that wool is being used for making sweaters, woolen clothes and many things. Right? Now, we get leather from the skin of animals such as cows, crocodiles and snakes. We should always keep our clothes neat and clean. Students, we should always wear neat and clean clothes. Why is it necessary to wear neat and clean clothes? Because if we wear dirty clothes, then we can get infected by that clothes. हमको इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है ना, हमको प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती हैं, बीमारी हो सकती हैं, right? So we should always wear neat and clean clothes. And if we wear neat and clean clothes, then we will look smart also, we will look beautiful also, right? And if we wear untidy clothes, then how we will look? We look so dirty, right? So we should always wear clean and neat clothes. Thank you everyone. I hope you like this video.